Say, who's looking at the birds at the bird feeder? Oh, look, that little bird's hanging on for dear life with that wind. Yeah. He's in that little square box, if y'all can see. He's hanging on. He said, I am not going to get my lunch interrupted. Yeah. And then we have the dinosaur over here to play with whenever he gets tired of looking at the bird. Yeah. Mr. Wiggleworm. Lagoon. Back to looking at the bird. Yes. Looking at the bird.
Let me see if I can talk. Hey, baby.
Oh, now you realize the camera's on you, huh? Yeah.
Hey, baby. Where's mama?
Say the whole thing.
Where's mama?
Oh, you cut it in half. You used to say mama. Hey, Mr. Wiggles. Say mama. Okay, I got a weak second one.
No, it was closer.
Okay.